All right, there are three basic cases where you're going to use would instead of will. And two of those cases are pretty easy, and one of those cases is a little bit trickier. So let's look at the first case. The first time you use would is if you're trying to be polite. You say, I would like more coffee, please, because you're being polite. You're asking something politely. You wouldn't say, I will like more coffee, please, because that's rude. So I would like more coffee, please. That's the polite way to say it. Another time that you use would is the past tense of will. So, for example, I would imitate my dad when I was young. That's something you did in the past. So you wouldn't say I will imitate my dad when I was young because you were young in the past, not in the future. And then finally, the tricky one. Use it in a conditional contrary to fact. Oh my God. All right, let's look at these words. Conditional means that there's an if involved. So if you see the word if over here, that's how you know you're dealing with a conditional. Contrary to fact means like it's not true. So if you have the word if and you're describing something that is not true, then you use would. So you have to have the if, and there has to be something that's not true. So let's look at this one. I would be cold if I lived on Neptune. You got the if part that makes the conditional. If I lived on Neptune. I don't live on Neptune, I live on Earth. So this is a contrary to fact conditional, or a conditional contrary to fact, because it's a conditional because it has the if, and it's contrary to fact because it is not true or even possible in this case.